Well, there you see it. 16.4 is 4/10 of a gram overweight. 6.4 is 6/10 of a gram underweight. Uh, the guy who mailed these from Virginia, his name is Dustin Smith, and he's in Gross Fork Road, Jackson, Kentucky. Uh, I do hope I do not win on the third parcel because I don't want it. But unfortunately, I put a bid on it. I hope someone else is stupider than me. Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. I wasn't going to record till tomorrow. That's the spotter scope. There's a fire that way, less than 2 miles. It's on the ridge. You can see the flames along the ridge. The one consolation is that's where all the rich people had their $1 million homes built, and it burnt down in 2014. I believe it was 2014. All those rich people's houses burned. Well, guess what? It's a new day. All those new replacement $1 million homes. There we go. Put my shirt on. Just today, I'm going to do some Poppy Cuts Opal business here. Come on. There we are. Okay. Earlier today, mailman brought me 2 parcels from Dustin Smith in Jackson, Kentucky. They were 81 and 40 carats of opal. Okay, I weighed them. The 40 was 6/10 of a gram underweight. Ooh, bad. And the 81, or was it 83? Anyway, was 6/10 overweight. No, 4/10 overweight. Still negligible, especially when you consider the fact that in that larger parcel, okay, you see this stuff here. Okay. You see this stuff. It was in that 80 carat parcel. It's mica, not opal. It's mica. So, if you're in eBay and you see an opal seller whose name is DUSSM-3083, his mailing address is Dustin Smith and Jackson, Kentucky. I bet the parcels are underweight even more now that I've been drying them. They came wet. They're dry, they're definitely going to be underweight. So I call fraud. I call fraud on Dustin Smith. And as he's known on eBay, DUSSM-3083. You want to get screwed? Nevada's got all kinds of places with pretty people that'll do it. Do a better job and probably cheaper too. Yeah, Poppy can get nasty. Anyway, so fraud. That is the legal term when you include some non-named gemstone material in a parcel of named gemstone. This is something like leverite, or I found some FLRs and there's 20 pounds of them. Those are the only leverite, FLRs. Think real hard. Yeah. What kind of rock's that? Oh, that's a piece of leverite. What's that good for? Leverite there. Yeah. I'm still waiting for my 61 carat piece, not parcel, piece of Australian. It's supposed to be here by the 19th of this month, and right now it's the 15th. If it ain't here by sundown on the 19th, you'll see another video, me screaming, fraud. My house is on the flight path between the lake over there and the fire here. They sort of swoop over. Frankly, I wouldn't mind if they dropped a bucket of water on this locality, my home. Hey, the landlord just had the roof fixed. It's done. It can handle it now. Okay, I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to go live stream if I can. Let you know. Oh! Okay, I just came in from out front. I was looking at the fire, and it's along the ridge, and they got engines up there, and you could hear the helicopters. How many of them went overhead while you was listening to the darkness? Yeah. I'm going to set you here for a moment. since I'm doing this, I might as well do it. Look at that. It's either this parcel or the other parcel, or it might be both. Oh, that's a chip. I found a rub in one of these parcels. The ad said natural rough. Rubs are no longer natural or rough. That's the second instance of fraud. I gotta stop you for a minute and come back. Yeah.